Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cannin.com. I'm Steven, and you're here for a technical analysis. This week we're looking at Tilt Holdings, listed both in Canada and here in the United States on the OTC ticker. TLLTF is the OTC ticker we're going to take a look at today. And let me just scroll back. You can see what happened. End of 2018 listed, and it shot up from about 29 cents up to 280, 290, so almost 10x increase out of the gate. And then look what's happened since, almost giving it all back, the 10x decrease. So what a ride that would have been if you were on the right side of buying and selling the stock. But this week we're going to look at the Aroon, we're going to look at the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, and see if we can see any recent opportunities. You can see the price is pretty stagnant over the last 4 months. It hasn't done a lot. A little bit up and down, but pretty, well within 10%. Let's see what the Aroon is showing us. We have the Aroon up and down lines. You can see the up is green and the down line is red. So what we're going to look for is really basic, is the crosses. When the green line, which is the up line, is above the red, that's a bullish signal, and vice versa. When the red is above the green, that's a bearish signal. So what do we see during these big price decreases of 2019? We see the down is above the up line almost exclusively for the last 6-7 months there. What about more recently? We're getting a lot of jagged back up and forth, back up and forth. You see that in a sideways market like this. So not a lot of opportunities. Let's see what would have happened. Here's a buy signal that happened right here. Perhaps we would have seen it right here. So it closes at 29 cents, and then that buy signal is given back here, 30 cents. So very little opportunity in these sideways markets when you look at a trend indicator like the Aroon. MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, we also see, we've seen this before, but the MACD is the blue line, the signal line is the orange line. Same sort of interpretation. When the blue line is above the orange signal line, that's a good opportunity to buy, and vice versa. When it's below, opportunity to sell. And again, this big downward movement, what do we see? The blue line both below the signal line. We do get a little bit in this period, a little bit above the MACD here. The signal line was probably right here. And we closed that day at 19 cents. What happens all the way when we come back? We closed at about 28 cents. So a little bit of opportunity there for the MACD to take some profit. Let me zoom in here and look what's happened end of 2019 until now. It's such a sideways market. There's no opportunity here. We can't even really distinguish whether the up or down is winning here without really zooming in. And you can see the Aroon down is definitely overtaking the Aroon up. So recently there's been some negative price movement, and that's reflected right here. So if you're looking to buy Tilt, the pricing chart and a technical analysis is definitely not behind that right now. So you may want to keep your eyes open. We're expecting some 2020 bounce backs from the horrible year and a half that some of these cannabis stocks have had, especially the Canadian ones. But Tilt is not here, that is not there yet. So keep watching, keep holding, wait for the right opportunities. Don't force your trades. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend.